This is a play by Savannah and Macy, and this person's name is Bob, and that person's name is Fred.
Isabel.
No! Hello! How are you guys today?
I'm Mrs. Fox.
Okay, Fox's name is Fred. Oh, and
I'll start it over then.
okay.
There was just a fox in here.
I'm not starting it over. You guys need to go.
Hello! How are you?
Yeah, what are you doing? That's not me, man. I need to
I'll rip your tail off
You sound like a mean old lady. I mean, old man. That's not a play. You just have to act. You can't just eat each other.
Eat each other.
Hi.
I need some tea. Could you make me some tea?
Here. Mix.
What is it with Macy and tea anyway? Oh,
Hurry up down there!
that's what I'm talking about.
Sorry, my snout is
I'll bite your snout.
Here's your tea.
Okay, sorry about that.
Hey, audience, do you like my fluffy tail?
I do. I love it.
Yeah, so what?
She keeps turning my turtle into something bad. No, somebody cut off his head.
That's what you get for saying I don't like your tail.
You know what? You better knock it off.
You're a bad turtle. You are a bad turtle.
Hey, you know what? I got a little buzz going on.
You better stop talking like that.
Yeah, turtle friend.
I called you a drunk turtle one time.
Good night. Adios.
Good night.
Watching our show.
The show's over.
Savannah, let me see your face for a second. My gosh. You guys are